1983 Topps Cello pack. 40. We're up to 49 cents now. 28 cards. We got Manny Trio on the back. There's our gum and sticker in the middle. Dave Rucker on the front. Let's get all the other stuff out and not ruin the surprise there. All right, we can turn those around. Dave Rucker. Tom Seaver, horribly off-center. Super veteran, though. We'll put him up still. We got Dan Quisenberry, All-Star. Randy Johnson, but not the right one. We got Jim Rice and Bob Stanley, Red Sox leaders. This, wow, is really poorly cut. Kent Tekulve. Too cool, man. We got another card on this card. We've got Tony Perez. Hey, there's the Wade Boggs rookie. Oh, nice. That's cool. We'll definitely put them up. We got Joe Niekro and Ray Knight, Houston Astros leaders. We got Rick Sweet. Kurt Bevacqua. Hey, Jim Palmer. This one's also poorly cut. I used to collect Jim Palmer cards when I was younger. Here's a Robin Yount All-Star. This is a loaded pack. Nice. We got Bob Baylor, Sammy Stewart, Dave LaRoche. Hey, there's Jim Palmer. Nice. Gary Templeton. Bill Gullickson. Dave Kingman. Rod Carew. Wow, this is a banger of a pack. Johnny LeMaster. Ricky Henderson. Oh, wow. This is Randy Moffat, Tim Laudner, Dale Murphy, too. Holy cow. Lee Lacy and Manny Trio. About half of that pack was